Here we are, Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Yamaha R6. Middleweight supersport, 600cc, fuel injected, liquid cooled. This bike is in beautiful condition, only 4,800 miles. Beautiful matte gray finish. This is the one you've been waiting for. It's got tank pad, smoke windscreen, just $89.99. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. We have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.